Genius glows in luminous brilliance through perfection. A charismatic personality, Dr. Sridhar Garu. We find a multifaceted and exceptional confluence of talent and dynamic zeal which has enabled him to reach the pinnacle of his chosen profession. Dr. S. Sridhar Garu is a chemical engineer from University College of Technology, Usmania University, Hyderabad, who has been working as a scientist in the area of membrane separation process at CSIR IICT Hyderabad for the past 25 years. He completed his PhD at Karnataka University, Dharwad in 2007. Dr. S. Sridhar Garu is a recipient of more than 600 prestigious science awards, including 30 national awards and 3 state awards such as CSIR Young Scientist Award in 2007, Engineer of the Year Award in 2009, Scopus Young Scientist Award in 2011, NASA Reliance Industries Platinum Jubilee Award in 2013, VNMM Award from IIT Roorkee 2015 and 5 CIPET National Awards for 2016 to 2020. The project design of a membrane pilot plant for the treatment of MEE concentrate of aromatic industrial effluents. Dr. S. Sridhar Garu has designed and installed more than 75 water purification plants based on nanofiltration, ultrafiltration and reverse osmosis of 600 to 4,000 liters per day capacity of purification. The mitigate COVID-19. Dr. Sridhar Garu designed low-cost novel multi-layer washable masks that were provided to more than 6 lakh people including school children and frontline workers. Now we are grateful that Mr. S. Sridhar Garu is here today and we are requested to grace us with your insightful words and enlighten us with your wisdom in our personal and professional lives. Welcome, sir.
A very good evening to all. It's really wonderful to be here and I am almost a Bhashyam family member, having been coming to Bhashyam schools since almost about 8 to 10 years. And each time I come, I see something new, some new development happening every time. Today, I am really very happy to see all the sports and extracurricular activities that have been going on at Bhashyam School, Mirpet, here. And I really congratulate the ZDO sir, the teachers here, the principal, headmistress, and all the parents for the support that they have given to the children to grow, to make an all-round personality development. So one of the secrets of my success is also sports. I used to be in the playground as soon as the classes were over and I used to be busy, physically busy, so that I could come back fresh for my academic activities. Otherwise, no play and only study makes John a dull boy. So it's very important that all the children participate in extracurricular activities, in sports activities, in arts, in music, whatever possible, dance. So this is very important for the all-round development of the child. And really, I heartily congratulate the Bhashyam school after listening to the report card. 100% pass is a wonderful achievement. Ladies and gentlemen, a very big hand to Bhashyam Mirpet here. So ladies and gentlemen, what differentiates our country as a developing country from the Western countries is science and technology. The day we are able to perform better than the Western countries, then we will also be known as a developed country. So for this, we have to put in a lot of hard work, and I am sure the children here are our future scientists, future professors, future teachers, future sportsmen, sportswomen, future lawyers, advocates, IPS, IAS, entrepreneurs, businessmen and businesswomen, and what not. So the children have a lot of potential. Every child has got a unique quality. No child is less than the other. Each and every child has got a unique quality. It is up to us to identify the field of choice for the future. Suppose a child is interested in mathematics, then he should follow that line only, so that he will have the passion for that subject. And then that is the best way you can do well, because you have got passion for that particular field. Suppose another child is interested in commerce in the future, then let that child go into the commerce field, and he can do well in chartered accountancy or as an MBA or any other financial job. So in this way, we must encourage the children to go into the field of their choice, in whichever they are interested in. So that is the mantra for success. I am really very happy to see such a huge crowd, and I also congratulate all the parents for coming in large numbers to support the children here. So ladies and gentlemen, at CSR IICT, where I am a scientist, I believe that whatever I do should be useful for the society. So we take care of water purification in all the fluoride affected areas in Nalgonda and Prakasham and also all over India. Wherever there is a the drinking water diseases, there we go and tackle that water purification problem. And also, as ma'am had mentioned, during COVID we made this innovation of a mask, which is washable mask, and it made a revenue of 2 crores for NGOs and created employment for 500 people of the elderly and self-help group of women. So as Ankamarao Garu already said, the duty of the children, there are some duties for the children also. So they should give sufficient respect to their parents and their teachers. So as long as the children are sincere and hardworking, they will definitely be successful. They can do much better than me or than anybody else. So this is another mantra for success. Be sincere, dedicated, hardworking and respectful to your parents and your teachers as well. And it is also important to network among yourselves. All the children should start communicating with not only the children of your own class, but into the other class also. So build your network at a lower stage itself, at a lower class itself, so that communication, you should learn how to communicate with all the other kids and get along to promote cooperation among the children. United we stand, divided we fall. So in this way, I once again congratulate Basham schools. There are 25 Basham schools in the city of state syllabus and 10 more schools of CBSE syllabus. So wonderful to see the growth of the Basham family of institutions and led by Basham Ramakrishna, and now we have a new head also like his son. So very, very happy to see this development, and I would like to wish all the children the very best. Work hard, make your parents proud, make your school proud, and more importantly, make our country, the great India, even prouder. Thank you very much and all the best.
To 8th class. LKG G Likita. UKG Sri Mananya. First class E Supriya. Grade 2 O Preetej. Third grade J Adya. Fourth grade T Jayadev Surya. Fifth grade J Yashwant. Grade 6 P Devanshi. 6th IIT Vishwak Dhruva. IIT, Karthik. Grade 8, S. Nivedan. 8th IIT, Pujita. K. Harshit. Grade 1, Jogendra Shivaraj. Grade 2, Hemakshi. Grade 3, R. Nishita. Akhil Venukonda. Class 2, Jashwant. Class 3, Yashwin. Class 4, Venkat Sai Srijan. Class 5, Varshini. Class 6, Geeta Madhuri. 6th IIT, Vishwadhru. Class 7, Varun Sai. 7th IIT, Jashwita. Class 8, Mark Vincent. 8th IIT, Abhinav. Congratulations, children. Class 6, Sahasra. 6th IIT, Ankush. Class 7, Venkata Varshita. 7th IIT, Hayagrivan. Class 8, Anushri. 8th IIT, Advika Reddy. Qualities of our students. They worked hard throughout the year and proved their best in monitoring in assembly. Applause for our house leaders. Now, from these three houses, Lee's core team will of Marine's group. Lee's group. Thank you, Ariket, for your support to Marine's team. Now, I request our ZDO sir, Mr. Ankaramarav sir, to hold the hands of both aviators, trackers, house leaders. Hold the hands of both aviators and trackers, sir. House leaders, the house winners of the fantastic 12th annual year June 2024. Let's countdown starts. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. They are none other than aviators with highest score of 150 points. Call upon all the aviator leaders onto the dais. Varshit, B. Nirdesh, Jaydev Surya. Sanvita is the aviators who has won 202 points. they can be eliminated. Now I request ZDO sir to hold the hands of both Marines as well as Cracker sir. And the house winners of this fantastic 12th annual year of June 2024, that is, let us know, that is 3, 1, see here. So here let us go with 3, 2, 1, let's go. That is none other than Marines. And they have won 300. And now I call upon all the Marine leaders onto the dais. 8th F1 Sridhar, 8th F2 Rahitya, 6th IIT is Hemant Kumar, 7th IIT Kartik, 8th IIT Janvi, 9th IIT Lahari. Please give them a big round of applause. Thank you so much, sir, for your
Most of the boys like Chhatrapati Shivaji.
Not only boys but also girls like Chhatrapati Shivaji. When we hear that name, we go back to the history.
Now let me invite the boys of 6th and 7th IIT to perform on patriotic songs.
కోడెకింతల్లాంటి అమరవీరులు
राज्य की जय. They deserve a thunder clap.
Hey, whom do you believe in? The destroyer of the world. He symbolizes the five aspects of the divine control of universe, creation, destruction.
Back to the divine world by this performance.
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together and encourage them. Have you watched Rakta Charitra movie?
Hi, yaar, it's too scary, but I like watching action movies.
Now get ready for a scary performance by 4th class girls. Let's welcome them onto the stage.
Just A robot is a type of automated machine that can execute specified tasks with little or no human intervention and with speed and precision.
So now let's call our little robots.
I'm so excited to watch the performance.
I am Chitti. I am Robo. Speed 1 terahertz. Memory 1 zettabyte. world, you can't touch this. Hypnotic, hypnotic, supersonic, superstar, come get it, superstar, come get it.
இளம்பிலே ஒரு இதயம் உழைக்குதா முதல் முறை காதல் இளம்பிலே ஒரு இதயம் உழைக்குதா முதல் முறை காதல் அழைக்குதா உச்சியும் ஒன்றோடு பூவாசம் இன்றோடு மின்னிங்கள் விண்ணோடு மின்னல்கள் கண்ணோடு உங்களில் காணாது தேடல்கள் என்னோடு காலங்கள் காணாது பெண் பூவை உன்னோடு I love you when I do, I love you so much. I love you when I do, I love you so much.
I am a super girl, who got a rapper girl. I am a super girl, who got a rapper girl.
Big round of applause. Now it's time to invite our little gymnast. Martial arts is not just about physical strength, it's about mental and emotional strength as well. Karate is important for kids.
ఎగ్జామ్స్ 2023
Improve focus and discipline, increased confidence, social development, and the ability to manage stress.
Ready? Horse. Sit on horse hands. Okay, sit on. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Put the hands left side. Upper back with left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right leg back now. Put the right leg back. Front kick. Right leg back. Keep guard. Ready. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sit on half stance. Sit on half stance. Double punch first time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Both hands on hip. Double punch second time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Put the right hand salute position. Inside block. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Put the hands left side. Right leg back. Side kick. This side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sit on half stance. Now drill punch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Put the hands left side. Roundhouse punch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now outside block with left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now right leg back, fast. Right leg back, roundhouse kick, straight down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sit on half stance. Cross punches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sit on half stance. Triple punch. Mix out high, high. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now right leg back. Back pushing kick. 1, 2, 3, 4,
Go back, make a line. First kata group, please come for front. Ready? Pose. First kata. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Pause. Go back, please. Second kata group, come front. Ready? Move back. Pause. Yan Shodan. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Pause. Move back. Nacha kata come front. Master Rose. Let's start.
Come on, parents, encourage them.
It's the energy within which has to be tapped. You gotta do it.
Pause. Go back. Now a little bit firing movement. Just wait.